Hi guys, what's up? Wagwan. The sun in my eye. Let me put on my glasses. Yeah, that's better. We're going for a drive out. We're going on the road. Come say hi, Shelly. And this is my partner in crime again. We'll go show them your outfit.
Holy shit, yo.
You can say that.
Oh, sorry.
So guys, we're going on the road. Where are we going?
Should I wear my orange glass to match this or leave
No,
it?
no, no, no. It's okay.
Yeah.
So we're going on the road and we're going to show you the drive. We're going to go to the outlet. We're going to see if we can get some shoes.
Some Michael Kors shoes.
For the kids back to school. All right. So this
I am
is
going to look
us.
for Michael Kors slippers like this one.
Yeah. Okay guys, so we're going to show you a little bit of the beautiful countryside of Canada. And we're going to head on the road now. So catch you later.
Ooh.
Okay. Hey. Hi.
Hello, guys. Here is. Yeah. You watch me go. You say hi.
I'm watching. Yes, I'm ready. Wait. Oh, we don't want brush.
Holy shit.
So guys, we're on our way and say hi, Shelly.
Hi.
And so guys, we're driving now and I'm going to show you a little bit of the road, okay? Oh my God, look at the road. Ooh! 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 You feel like I'm going to drop down in or something. So guys, now we're at Milton. Gucci has to be the next one. See Skechers. Oh shit. He said wait. Happy nice. Oh good. Signal the plane.
Signal.
So when they're gonna signal for us?
That way, let's go for.
Alright, come! By the backside, go! He said go! Oh shit, one more calling. Okay, you better listen to the man. You're slowing too much. Alright. Come! Why they so stupid? Why they don't drive up? He said he's gonna blow them
No,
again.
we go now.
All right. He says stop. Oh my God, work this man out. Come now, you go.
Yes, yes.
Thank you.
Oh, yes, 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 yes.
Thank
Good
you.
job, good job.
It's a lady.
Hey, guys.
Where we going? Tell them where we at.
We are at Toronto Premium Outlet. Going to have to do some shopping.
She gonna buy something for me nice, guys. Look at that, guys.
She's gonna let me have
All the outlets you can think of is right here. Guys, so we are here. Look there, guys. Yes, so we're gonna go shop, all right? You're gonna come along with us, all right, guys? So, I don't have any money, guys. It's eye shopping, and we're gonna buy a few little things, right, Shelly?
Yeah, for the kids back to school, some Nikes. So, you know what I mean? Some
Shelly
Michael
want to go
Kors.
Gucci, guys. Gucci.
Yeah, I
Gucci
don't
and
like
Armani.
Gucci much.
We look so nice, Shelly.
Oh yeah, we are beautiful. We are natural beautiful.
You have your mask?
I have 2 masks.
All right, guys, I'm gonna put my mask on and then I'm gonna show you around, okay?
There's a lot of lineup.
It's busy. Guys, we put our mask on. This is Springs here, Shirley. Let's go into Springs.
I like
So, guys, we're going into Springs first thing. I got a purse. I'll show you more. I'm in Skechers. Guys, it's a big place. You can ask for direction there. So guys, we're going home now, okay? It's too much crowded here. You see her? Hey, Shirley, take a picture with me here, please. So So guys, we're going home. We got a little stuff.
Yeah, a
And
little stuff
we're going home.
with big money, sister. Little stuff with big money.
Guys, we get locked out of the car. Okay? There's no driver, so we have to wait. So guys, we're just waiting on the ride. Oh my God, Shelly, let the drive come, please. Ooh, that's a side bag. Come closer, show it. Wait, let me pull it up closer. We get locked out. We have to sit on the side. Hello, you get locked out?
Yeah, man.
She have Michael Kors guy named Brand. My God, but she get locked out anyways. Look at his slippers.
It's all fit.
Guys, she bought this one like a rose gold, and she went and bought this one. $50.